Hindi po natin yung reasonable. Cycle, 1 course 3 session, interval 14 days. After reaching 1 course, continue the treatment at least once or twice a month. Marking needling for face and body. So needle depth is 25.5 mm with 12 to 36 pins. Assess skin accordingly, method vertical horizontal. Assess skin accordingly. Pagdating po sa marking needling, ang number 1 na importante na i-assess natin is manipis ba yung skin or makapal. So kung manipis ang skin, anong gagawin natin? 12 pins po ba or 36 pins? So kapag nag-assess tayo, dahan-dahan from the texture, from lahat po, dahil i-assess natin. So mamaya naman makikita po natin, i-discuss ko po further. For stretch marks, we have 36 or 12 pin needle. Not affected area, 25.5 affected area is 1.5 para makapag-produce tayo ng collagen production, muko 1.5 po tayo sa stretch. Next. Post-care treatment, so wash after 24 hours with distilled water only. Yan po yung lagi mong advice. Distilled water gawin natin for rinsing the face kasi mas maliit po yung ating mga molecular. At saka mas masundo lang ating balat. So after 3 days, you can use mild facial wash. Wala lang masyadong active, pwede na rin pong Cetaphil. Para mild, and start applying your sunscreen and moisturizer. Ina-advise ko pong after 3 days para po mas maganda yung pag-produce ng collagen natin at walang nakakaharap sa skin barrier natin ng mga actives. And then, apply the care cream and rejuvenating ampule twice a day. We highly recommend Wonder Cream Premium Stem Cell Moisturizer and Seldom Rejuvenating Ampule. Do not expose under the sun, mahalaga yun, under 5 days. Always apply sunscreen. Downtime, minimal swelling lang naman buto. However, it will subside after 24 hours. Merong sensitive skin, may 1 day, meron pa rin redness, pero natural lang naman po yun. Parang pinkish red. So, before and after, so, ito, meron tayong stretch mark. So, bali 3 sessions po ang ginawa dito, microneedling. Ginamit natin yung protocol po kanina. And then, pag nakikita mo rito na parang brown na ba siya or something, iba-iba po ang approach. Kasi po, for example, kung ang stretch mark natin is red, di ba may gano'n, may red, may brown. So kapag red or purple, meaning bago pa lang yung stretch mark natin. So mas madali pa tayo makaka-treat. Now, kapag ang stretch mark natin, white na siya or parang grayish, silver, gano'n, kaya nating gawan ng treatment, pero napakahirap niya. Mag-treat, hindi siya matatanggal. But at least, matulungan natin yung client na ma-minimize yung stretch mark. Next, ma'am. Okay. Okay, stretch mark din po ulit ito, before and after. Per session, after 2 sessions, after 3 sessions. Ito mahirap siyang i-treat. Ang bali patient to ni Miss Lainani. So, napakahirap, pero nakatulong din po talaga si Red Gel hanggang 3 sessions. Ayan, so, wala before, after session, ano napansin sa after 1 session, parang medyo parang kulog-kulog. May kulog-kulog pa, may mga inflammation kasi after how many days. And then, magsasubside yun kasi sa loob, nagpupulis na nga po tayo ng collagen. After 2 sessions, yung ibang part, mag-light kasi hindi isang part agad na tanggal lahat. Wala na. And then after 3 sessions po, so ayan na po yung kinalabas. Next time. Next time. Hello. Okay. So before and after. Before and after, so